This is so hard.
Hello?
Hello,
Yes?
this is Dr. Frankensmurf, your husband. Hello, wife.
Oh, hello, Frankie dear.
I need your help. I need you to rescue me. I'm in prison. It's a little bit complicated. I'm in the past, and you are in the future. I'm calling you from the past.
Sure, tell me what I should do.
You should use Hypno Candy.
Hypno candy, you think so?
Yes, it's gonna make the kids do whatever we want.
Oh, I wonder if they're working. Hello, kids. Oh, I see you're working hard. Very good. And you guys? How are you guys doing? Let me see. What is that?
Oh, that's a snowflake.
Okay.
Sorry I'm late. I had like a dentist appointment and my tooth had to get drilled and now it's in pain.
All right. Okay, kids. So since you've been so hardworking and I like you so much, I'm going to give you a special treat. Very nice and very special candies. Yes. All right, one for you.
Can I have two?
One for you. No, just one. I need for every kid in here.
Yum, this looks delicious.
Yes, and you can eat it right away.
No, thanks. I'll save mine for later. Okay.
Eat, kids, eat.
I can't eat.
All right. I'll be back very soon.
Okay. Bye. Thanks again.
I think I should investigate. I'm telling you she's evil, and you should really know that. I'm telling you she's evil, and everyone should know that. She's evil, and I should investigate.